What I'm going to attempt to do is, well, actually, what I'm going to do is make a shield connected to a little hat for somebody at work. So first off, just get a little scrap piece of wood, something simple. I'm going to mark it out. I'm going to try to go from the other one. I'm going to have to trim down this wood here. I don't want to make it too thick, the wood, because then it might infringe on how you see. Take my little jigsaw here. Do a little bit more. All right. Sawdust all over mine. All right. So this is the size of the wood here. Just trying to match it up. Do a nice little mark down here. Alright, so when you do it, the bill has to be flat. It can't be curved. I like my hats curved, but you just can't do it. And then I'm trying to compare it to the one I did. So we want to do it right about here. It's going to be your first one. Got to be really careful when you do this. You don't drill your finger. Seems about right here. And you want to pre-drill so you don't crack it. You definitely will crack it. I just got these little stainless steel screws. They seem to work well. Drill here. All right, that one looks seemed to go good. Check the adjustment. When you put it on, it's not going to hit your head. All right. And we'll do the next one. And this is so we don't split the wood. We're pre-drilling. There's no guarantees the wood won't split, but it's just a little scrap piece of wood anyway. You don't want to screw it in too much because then it will definitely strip out and not stay. So we put one right here because we're going to have to do the curvature compared to this one. Let's see. There's not too much room for error, especially since this isn't my hat. I don't want to mess it up. I'm doing this for a guy at work. Because we have to wear these stupid things. Because of our asshole governor. Or our store could or may get in trouble or just have a problem. So we just try to, out of respect for our boss, conform. This is the only place I wear a mask. I don't want that one. I'll use this little block. right, so far, that's what it looks like. This split was here already. I don't think it's gonna affect it. If it does, let's put a new one on. No big deal. It's just like my shield. Now, let's trim the shield. Let's go ahead and pause that video because I have to. So here's the shield that we'll be using. I'm gonna cut this off just to get it out of my way. Has a protective film that will peel off later on. Then we're gonna have to cut this. I'm gonna look where mine is, because they want that bottom protection still. At least that, you know, the placebo effect that people think they're protected. We still want that perception. So I'll just cut it. Right about here worked for me. If you don't trim it like this, the blue is actually in your eyes and you can't see. It's not in your eyes, but you know it's in your vision. So you won't be able to see. That's what it looked like mine did. A little trim here. We'll see how that matches up on this hat. That looks good, and then we got to fold it in. So we're just going to do one screw. I'm just trying to line it up and making it nice and even. So right here should be good. Pilot hole. I'm not sure if you get a good shot of this. Hopefully we won't split this wood. You don't want to really crank it down or you can split it. I'm going to give it one more little. All right, didn't split it. Move on to the next one. I'm not real good at doing videos. I'm not good at editing. So let's hope you guys got something out of this. I know my buddy Sean will get a mask out of this. But hopefully you guys can make your own. I got my mask for free from my job. And I got my Boar's Head hat free from the Boar's Head guy, so I didn't pay anything for my hat. All right. Let's see how that looks. So then here, what I realized is that we have to bend it. Okay. Give a little crease bend right here. Gotta do more. Let's see. I'll have to take my beautiful hat off to try this out. Let's see. I just got a haircut, so what's in this? Let's see. Ah, it's a little too tight. What do you think? I did a good job?
Yes.
Let's see. These could be tucked a little bit more, a little adjustment. Whatever you feel happy with, you can do. I can just use a little bit more of an adjustment. I think my buddy Sean at work will be happy with this. If, you know, he can adjust it if he wants. I think it looks okay. Actually, this has to be a little more folded. I'm being a little sensitive with this because it's not mine. Mine was a little rougher. All right. I think just... All right, hopefully this conforms to Governor Murphy's little orders. Make it work a little easier. I hope that helped you. I made it pretty similar to this. As you can tell, it wasn't too hard. You just take a little scrap piece of wood, a jigsaw, and then you get a clamp. Get a clamp to hold the wood, just for safety. You see how safe I was, right? I got that. A little scrap wood, got some scissors, got some small screws. You could really use any small screws. I just happen to have some nice stainless steel screws to kind of give it like a little bling bling factor, you know, almost like a bedazzler. With a little bit of adjustment, I think he'll be happy with it. He'll be watching this video soon enough, so he'll see his hat. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Keep fighting, Patriots.